Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to learn the words you will use to go to the movies. That's always a fun thing to do. Are you ready? You can repeat the words after me if you want to. Movie theater. Movie theater. The movie theater is the building where movies are shown. Poster. Poster. A poster is a picture that shows the current movie. Marquee. Marquee. The marquee is a display area where the name of the movie is displayed. Ticket. Ticket. A ticket is a piece of paper you buy that lets you into the movie. Box office. Box office. The box office is the place in front of the theater where you buy tickets to the movie. Matinee. Matinee. The matinee is an afternoon movie. It's usually cheaper than an evening movie. Feature film. Feature film. The feature film is the main movie being shown at the theater. Concession stand. Concession stand. The concession stand is the place where you can buy snacks and drinks. You can buy lots of different kinds of food at the concession stand. Things like popcorn, soda, candy, pretzels, hot dogs, ice cream. Trailer. Trailer. A trailer is a short preview of an upcoming movie. Screen. Screen. The screen is the large surface where the movie is shown. Auditorium. Auditorium. The room in the theater where the movie is shown. Many movie theaters have several auditoriums. Aisle. Aisle. The aisle is the walkway between the rows of seats. Row. Row. A row is a line of seats in the theater. Seat. Seat. A seat is the place to sit and watch the movie. Armrest. Armrest. The armrest is the part of the seat that separates the seats and where you can rest your arms. Recliner. Recliner. A recliner is a comfortable seat that can be adjusted to lean back. 3D. 3D. 3D is a type of movie that is shown in 3 dimensions. You have to wear special colored glasses to see the movie in 3D. IMAX. IMAX. IMAX is a special type of theater that has a really large screen and high-quality sound. Dolby. Dolby. Dolby is a type of surround sound system used in some theaters. It makes very realistic sounds. Closed captioning. Closed captioning. Closed captioning is the text displayed on the screen for people who are hard of hearing. Subtitles. Subtitles. Subtitles are translations of a movie in a foreign language displayed on the screen. Ratings. Ratings. Ratings are a system that indicates which age groups should see these movies. These ratings are G. The movie is good for general audiences. PG. Parental guidance is suggested for movies with this rating. PG-13. Parents are strongly cautioned to not let children under 13 years old see this movie. R. R-rated movies are restricted to people older than 17 years old. Usher. Usher. An usher is the person who helps you find your seat and keeps the theater clean. Credits. Credits. The credits are a list of all of the actors and people who made the movie. Credits are shown at the end of the movie. Exit. Exit. The exit is the door or hallway that leads out of the theater. Now, the next time you are ready to go to the movies, you will know all the words. You can learn them even better if you watch this video again. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.